children and 3 granddaughters. So glad to have Dan DeChant back out. Hold on to your ears, get your earplugs out. This is gonna be a loud one, bowling fans. In the Pro Bell Racing Modified class, Dan DeChant, the Radical Ranger. He will get another attempt. Wrong gear is what they're telling me. Pulling back, another attempt. For Big Red on track 1. Here comes Soyon. Robbie Soyon, the grandson of the legend Bob Soyon, who is here tonight, 87 years old. Bob Soyon, longtime puller on the flying. Line all night long here at Dragway 42. Spring Showdown sponsored by Bat Gear. Come on, outclass! Track 2, we're ready to go. Lead off test hook. Barry Elliker, the Fenning Equipment Superstock Division. The Buckeye Bandit. Definitely not running the way that tractor can run. Awesome running alcohol burner. But not pass right there. Tough one for Buckeye Bandit. We'll see what he can do. If he's able to come back, I'm sure he'll drop that lead off tip. Over on track number 2, here comes Eddie Johnson, the Big Johnson Alcohol Burner Superstock. Johnson, a little light on the front end, but not bad at all. That is a good running alcohol super stock from Alliance, Ohio. Back on track number 1. Here comes the road rage therapy. Oh, that's gonna do it for road rage therapy. On the two-wheel drive side, the distance for night delivery, 3:21 even. 3:21 even puts him in third place at the moment. In the meantime, I'd like to congratulate Melvin Deppen. Check it out. High five, buddy. The Deer Tracks Attack, the winner tonight in the Riverside Engine Pro. Looks like we're gonna go on the Pro Stock side. Gene Sherman, starting flagman, gives him the green flag. Kim Parabeck, John Deere, my other Deere, West Salem, Ohio. Come on, Parabeck, the owner of Parabeck Trucking. Oh man! Wow, he had that baby going, then it appeared to be really light on the front end, and something popped. Back on track number one, Frank Keener got into the two-wheel drive class half mid-season last year. Bought this two-wheeler out of Michigan. It's called Saul Stubb. Come on. Track two, here comes Michael Franklin, a Massey Ferguson, the original judge. And that's going to do it for the original judge. A new block this week from Ansonia, Ohio. And that's going to do it on the defending Superstock division. Ed Johnson, Big Johnson, he's your winner. Here comes Robert Labe, the blacktop binder, yeah! Oh, got under the turbo on his light pro stock out of Seneca County, the blacktop binder. Here's the final results, ladies and gentlemen, in the 8th. Good run for Jerry Martin. Here comes Tom Lammers, Trip My Trigger, International 1066 Light Pro Stock out of Ashland, Ohio. And that's going to do it for Trip My Trigger. Here comes John Lorenz, the Chance International. Wow, there's a good run. That guy right there. John Lorenz has a lot of experience. Never count him out. Awesome running. Light Pro Stock, new to the circuit this year. Officially started, so that's the mark to beat in the Superstock diesel trucks, 345.162. Back on track two, here comes the Light Pro Stock, John Cronkleton, the Red Dog Unleashed. Cronkleton will get another attempt. A good run for Jay Ruff, unfinished business. From Manaway, Ohio, up there north of Ravenna, Jay Ruff. That's a limited.
Devil was moving the On the Mark pulling sled. The International 1466, Travis Tilton. It's gonna wrap it up. Looks like Jerry Martin, John Deere 5020, gonna be your big winner tonight. Up next on track number 1. J.J. Brumby out of Wakeman, Ohio. 2015 Chevy Silverado, a new name this